3 anti-paint is also known as insulating glue. It is coated on the surface of the circuit board after its curing to form a layer of moisture-proof, salt spray-proof, mildew-proof protective coating, which is the origin of the name of the 3 anti-paint. Coating can prevent the electronic circuit board in a variety of harsh environment caused by line failures, such as corrosion, oxidation, deformation and mildew problems, so as to improve the reliability of the circuit board, increase its safety factor, and ensure the service life. Because the 3 anti-paint can prevent leakage, so allow higher power and smaller spacing of the printed board. 3 anti-paint on the coating thickness. Uniformity has strict requirements to calculate the thickness of micron. The general thickness of 25 micron to 50 micron. In the coating process, mainly manual spraying, hand brush coating, equipment soaking and equipment spraying.